Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I decided to open a Facebook group for all the beaders that follow my channel. And the way to find it, if you are on my YouTube channel, you just go to any of my videos. For example, let's go to my latest hope bracelet. And if you go to the bottom, you will see this description box. Just press on show more and you will see a description of the video. Basically, you can see the link to my Facebook page. You can see a link to my shop, which will open soon, right after quarantine's been lifted. And this is a group where you have to go. Just press the link and it will take you to the group. Now, your landing page might be different because you have to request to join first, and once you join, this will be the page where you land. It's like any other Facebook group. You can share your photos of your jewelry, you can ask questions. Basically, it's just a place to meet other beaders, discuss things and stuff. Here you can post photos of your jewelry, you can check in places, you can ask for recommendations, post things like how do you feel or stuff, just like any other group. But the main reason I created this group is this units. So if you go there and scroll down, you will see I have 4 units: beaded bracelets, beaded earrings, necklaces, and project long necklace. So if you go to, for example, beaded bracelets, it will have all the tutorials I've done, all the tutorials I did for beaded bracelets. Right now it's only 2 of them, but I will add all the others from my channel. I just added a couple to explain in the video what it is. And if you go back, for example, beaded earrings, same, it will have all the beaded earring tutorials. Project long necklace, I added a bit more, so let's go and have a look. So here you will have all the tutorials for the project long necklace. We started with long beaded ropes, and we did a spacer here, and after that I did a lot of pendants, but I didn't add them yet here. I will add them later on. I just wanted to make this video quickly. And for example, if you go to the top of the unit, look, say 0 of the 5 posts completed. It means you have done 0 of the 5 tutorials. And if you go down, let's see, you went and completed one of the tutorials, and you have done the spiral stitch necklace. All you do is just press done, and then if you go up, look, 1 of the 5 posts completed. It means 1 of 5 tutorials you have already done. It shows your progress. It means you still have 4 tutorials to go to complete the whole project, and it will keep on growing because the more tutorials I do, I keep on adding them, and it just shows your progress. It will show you what tutorials out there. And in every post, like here, for example, it shows it's a spacer, there's a tutorial link, and if you press, it will take you to my YouTube channel. And here, okay, there is a commercial to start with. Okay, blah blah blah. Let the commercial go, and then here it is. Here's the spacer tutorial. That's simple. And once you're done, you can go back to Kara's Beaders group, and for example, you did, I don't know, pro stitch necklace. Press done, go up, and look, 2 of 5 posts completed. So it's a very easy way to follow your progress. You can share it with other people. But also what it does, if I go to units, I have, for example, 4 units, right? It says 1 of 4 units is complete. So I have beaded bracelets, beaded earrings, beaded necklaces, and project long necklace. So I have 4 units here for now. There will be more, but it means 1 of them I have completed all of the tutorials in it. So it kind of shows your progress in all sorts of ways. It kind of tells you what tutorials out there for you, what else you can do. It tells you what you have done so far, and I think it's a nice way to keep yourself organized on what things you did and so far. And if you go just to the main page, you will see all the posts, all the tutorials I've posted. You can post your own pictures, you can share your progress. You can, for example, let's say you completed one of the tutorials, you can share the picture and show people what you have done. And if you have, for example, found a mistake in one of my tutorials, you can always mention it here, telling people how to do this or that. You can share your own insights. But the main reason I created this group is because of the units. So I hope it kind of explains the purpose of this group, and I hope we'll have fun here. Bye bye.